Well, here's a look at the market for September 30th, 2009 through the eyes of eminiDayTrader. We always like to take a look at these market profiles, which also includes a volume profile. You can see the blue shaded area in the background. This is the profile from today. This is the profile from yesterday. In between is the profile that was formed during the Globex or overnight trading session. Well, we were looking at the market leaning down, although it obviously didn't do anything like that overnight and did not sell off until the news was released at 9:45 this morning Eastern Time. And it did come down. We had support areas at 41 and 36. It did come down and get to 41 and then have a pretty good bounce, closing all the way back up there around, I think it was around the 54 area. So closing right here. So we still think the market is basically bearish, and we'll be looking at a key area of around 55-56 to see if it can hold there overnight. The next level above that is in around the 61 area to see if it can hold there. Otherwise, we expect it to come down and probably test the 45 to 41 area tomorrow. So that's really what we're looking at, and we like to use these market profiles as a tool to understand better the intraday auction process and what cycle we're in within that auction, and what really, in other words, is the condition of the market. And so we also take a look at the daily profiles. So this is the regular trading hours only. This is the same one as I was just showing you, except we like to split off and show the volume profile as well. So each day here shows a lettered market profile and a volume market profile. And as I said, this is a good tool for us going into the market, establishing what we think the condition is. Is it likely to be a down or up day? And where are some good levels to look to get in, and then drill down with our software in order to actually determine those entries. So we did a little recap of our trades for today. I'm sorry, for this month, I should say, and we've just listed that in here. Our trades, we did have 3 trades today. We had a nice short trade when the market bounced here. It was really just too quick to get on anything as it sold off. We got short here. It moved 2.25 points in our favor, so nicely hitting our first 2 objectives. We also got long in here. We ended up by breaking even on that trade. And the reason being is that we don't really like to hold a trade more than 10 minutes. The option that we have for our traders is to reduce the stop from either down from 6 ticks to either 4 or 3 ticks. In this case, you could have reduced it down to 4 ticks, stayed with the trade, and it had a tremendous move up some 10 plus points on that move. But in a very strict sense, and that's, by the way, what our results are here. These are very strict results. When we say we took 43, we had winning or break-even trades in 81% of the trades. This is the kind of thing we're talking about. So, for example, we posted one, I think it was last Thursday or Friday, when the news came out. We don't really take trades right before a news announcement. There was one listed there and we had a loss on it. We recorded it as a loss, but I personally did not take the trade, and most of our members would not have taken the trade, if not all of them, although we did post it on our trade results. So we're very strict with these results, and these results here are based on 4 contracts. So the $3,300 is the profit before commission on trading 4 contracts. So you can see that we're pretty consistent with these trades. I mean, we don't take a large loss. We rarely get stopped at the full 1.5, although obviously that does happen sometimes. But most of the time we're in the right direction of the market on the next intraday move. So if you'd like some more information on this, please give us a call. We'd love to hear from. By the way, we did have one other trade, our 3rd trade. We did have 3 trades today. So this is the 3rd trade, was a long here. It did move up and reach our first and second objectives. So we had 1, 2, 3 trades today. So we actually had another trade right there. It came up and hit our price to get short, and then it fell off 2.5 points for us. Unfortunately, we didn't get filled on it, so we didn't record it as a trade. Some of our members may have been filled on that, which would have been a nice profitable trade for them. We didn't record it because we didn't get filled. So you can tell by our trading approach here, it's relatively conservative. So obviously, if you're multiplying this 4, 8, 16, however many contracts you want to trade, you can just multiply that out, and that's would be a reasonable expectation on a monthly basis. Not every month, obviously every month's a little bit different, but this is a pretty good average of what we've been doing since we've incorporated our filter. And our filter is this shaded area down below here. When it's red, we take short trades. When it's green, we take long trades. When it's gray, we don't take trades. We recommend only traders who have gained a little bit more experience and really understand why these trades work the way they do, and also the way that we look at the market. Then to go ahead and perhaps take some trades that are within the neutral filter. But you really got to have additional structural evidence in order to go ahead and take those trades. So we encourage people to do them, but after they've been with us for a period of time, perhaps a few weeks, a month, or whatever, so they really get a much better feel, a much better handle of the ways that we're looking at the market, so that these trades really do make sense. And then you can combine that in your decision-making process, not from the specific sort of black and white paint by numbers trade setup and trigger, but also within the context of what is the market really doing, what is its condition at any time from a short-term perspective and a longer or intraday time frame perspective. A little bit longer video today, but just wanted to kind of give you a bit of a recap on what had transpired over the course of September. We're pleased to see these results, and we think we're going to continue with this and even make better ones as we're always improving on our trade types and our management and so forth, and the software accordingly. So anyway, we'd love to hear from you. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminiDayTrader.com. Thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.